Apart from the fact that it is the second largest cryptocurrency by capitalization, I would say one of the main reason is because it has a decentralized, open-source blockchain. Ethereum is the most actively used blockchain in the world. It's sometimes compared to the internet, and all the data pertaining to your transaction are stored in individual blockchain ledgers, not in some central warehouse like Google's. Programmers carry out a lot of activities using their blockchain, e.g. programming games, etc. It is still because of their open-source blockchain that transactions are generally faster than in Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin demands priority fees to send transactions faster, which is contradictory to its purpose of creation, lower transaction fees. There have been rumors that Bitcoin would transfer its network into Ethereum's, and that would be a huge moment for ethereum. That is, if it happens. People who carry out functions on the Ethereum network also have to purchase Ethereum crypto as fee to pay for the services on the network, making the crypto also widely used. Its availability may have affected its value in respect to Bitcoin, but there's no telling what could happen in the future. You can see all the interrelations above. I bet now in your head you're already making a comparison. If you are new to the crypto industry, Bitcoin might be the only asset that you have heard of. Of course, after just a quick Google search, you'll be able to see that there are so many more digital assets out there, including Ethereum. The Ethereum network is the most active blockchain in the world, yes, even more than Bitcoin, but it can be quite hard to understand the true potential that the project has on our day-to-day lives. I suppose you could call this an Ethereum 101 lesson on how the project works and what it's all about. To start with, Ethereum is a decentralized system, meaning that no single governing body controls it. A majority of entities online are controlled by a single body, business, or some sort of centralized governance. It is a system that has been in place for centuries and most likely isn't going away anytime soon. There are flaws in this, of course, and I suppose that is where crypto comes in. Given that Ethereum, and many other crypto-related projects, are decentralized, no one controls them. There is no central point of failure, as volunteers on computers from all over the world are in charge of how it progresses. As a result of this, it can never go offline and personal information would stay on the user's computer. All content stays in control of the creators themselves, and they don't have to obey any rules that are put in place by other public platforms such as YouTube. This is both good and bad, but for the sake of this conversation, we're just going to highlight what the network is about. Even though they are compared to each other constantly, Bitcoin and Ethereum are two very different projects and have completely different goals in the long term. Bitcoin may take all of the publicity and limelight, but Ethereum is working quietly in the background, being successful as ever. Bitcoin is known as the asset that can make you rich overnight, but Ethereum could truly change the world, how society works in the future.